Okay, good morning, folks. Just now I'm going to go through the worked examples and I'm going to start with the work done formula and the four examples that we have there. I will be posting a separate scan of these answers, so if you don't want to listen to me droning on, then you can just cut straight to the solutions and then you can check them yourselves. But if you are struggling or if you just want to see how these are done, then carry on watching. Okay, so in your course notes, section 24, this is page 47. We start off, a car applies its brakes and comes to a halt in 30 meters. If the car's brakes provide an average braking force of 3,000 newtons, how much work did the brakes do? So we're wanting to have to calculate how much work done the brakes have done, and so we will have EW is equal to force times distance. We have a force of 3,000 newtons. Multiply that by 30. That's going to come out as 90,000. Although I'm not going to write it as 90,000, I'm going to convert that into scientific notation. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 times 10 to the 4 joules. There we go. As a note, if you're doing this in your calculator and you would have this written up here in your calculator, and I wouldn't necessarily write that down in the line of the equation. Once you have it in your calculator, then you can easily just convert that into the scientific notation in your calculator and just only write 1, 2, 3 lines. Okay, moving on. So here we're going to go calculate how large the force was pushing the block. Again, we're looking for force this time. And so force. Now if we look at in our work done formula over here, we'll have force is equal to work done over distance. No, that's not what we're done. We'll have EW over D. We have 14,000 joules, and that is over 2 meters, which is going to give us 7,000 newtons. Here, so we're looking for the command word calculate the force. So we know we're looking for force again. And so he expends 25 kilojoules of energy in a distance of 20 meters. So again, we have force is EW over D, 25 kilojoules, so that's 25,000 joules over 20 meters. And that will give us 1,250 newtons. Okay. Finally, an engine produces a force of 5,000 newtons and has done 8,000 joules of work. How far has the car travelled? So calculate distance. Again, we can look at our formulas here. Distance is work done over force. Which is going to be 8,000 divided by 5,000. And that's going to leave us with 1.6 meters. Okay, that's us. I will post another one for the potential energy and another one for kinetic energy. Thanks a lot.